Hello everyone, what's going on? I hope that you are doing fantastic by the mercy of Almighty Allah, as well as I'm fine and dandy. Right now I'm standing beside this main road. It doesn't matter where I'm standing right now because I have to improve my pronunciation. At the same time, I have to improve my speaking levels. It is so important for me. Today in this video I'm gonna share with you about pronunciation. You know that pronunciation is very important for our every English learner, and you know that when I make English video in front of the camera, that time I make mistakes and my pronunciation is not good. It doesn't matter. At present I have taken one decision. I have to improve my pronunciation. At the same time I will speak clearly and smoothly. It is so important for me. Many English learners, they always ask me, brother, how we can improve our pronunciation, how we can improve our pronunciation very easily. You tell me. For that I will share this matter. If you are English learner, if you don't know pronunciation, first of all you have to go on your YouTube channel and you will search British pronunciation. You know that I love British pronunciation. For that I have been learning British accent last 3 months. It is so important for me. After go on your YouTube channel, you will search British pronunciation. It is so important for you. When you will speak in British pronunciation, I hope that you can learn British pronunciation very easily. Side by side, you know that there is no easy way to learn British pronunciation without practice. For that, at present when I get free time, I try to practice my English every single day. It is so important for me. And when I was working in my field, that time I have decided I will make English video in this place. For that I'm speaking in English. It is helping me a lot to learn English quickly. It is helping me a lot to learn British pronunciation. Side by side I have seen many English learners, they practice English just 2 months, just 3 months they practice. After 3 months they give up. For that they can't improve their speaking skills, they can't improve their learning skills. It is so bad for our every English learner. You know that British pronunciation is smooth and British pronunciation is so good for me. For that I always tell my English learner, you follow British pronunciation, and when you will watch English speaking video on your YouTube channel, after watching your full English video you can make English video like me. I hope that you can improve your speaking skills very easily. I hope that you can learn British pronunciation very easily. It doesn't matter where you are standing right now. Many students, they always tell me, similarly you make English video in your field, similarly you make English video beside this main road. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm passing very busy time with my daily activities. For that I'm not getting free time. Right now I'm going my grandparents' home and I have thought I will practice my English. For that I'm making English video. And today my one younger brother, he told me, brother, your English so good and you can improve your speaking skills very easily. For that I have I have taken one decision. Every day I will practice my English. Every day I will learn some British accent. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep making English video. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.